All right, we're at the Liberty Tree Mall here in Danvers, Massachusetts, and we're gonna see if it's still a dead mall. It's been, God, 2 or 3 years since we've been here to check it out. So we're here tonight. We're gonna see if it's gotten better or worse. We'll find out. Here we go. Alright, we're inside the mall. This is the Kohl's wing. The right hand side is all white, and that's because of these box stores that come in and taken over the front of the mall area and basically left nothing for no access into the mall. The other side is from the movie theater. When they built the movie theater, they decided they didn't need all those stores over there, so basically it's a dead wing. It's, as you just seen, it's white. It's a whole corridor of white. They couldn't figure out any way to instead of the stores. I just don't understand why you would waste all that real estate where it could potentially be, you know, you could build it out in a way that you could have stuff there. I don't know. When I was a kid, this wing had tons of stores. In fact, right over there, right where those doors that you've seen, there was an arcade there when I was a kid. That was the big thing. Let's go walk down the adjacent corridor and then we'll walk towards the end of the mall where the movie theater is and where they had the addition back in, I believe, the 80s. So let's go check it. So we are actually outside right now, walking by the Best Buy, which mall entrance has been closed off. We'll walk to the Target real quick. It's kind of low light over here. But the Target was added on later on. This was originally Leachman when this mall was here, and they had added this whole wing all the way down from where the Staples and the Target is. So as for the mall, it's busy. There's a gym there, there's a church there, so it's being utilized. The space is being utilized, I guess you could say. As for a shopping mall, it really isn't. There's not much stores in here, so we're gonna explore the other wing, the last wing, and I'll see what's going on down there. That's where stores should be, but the gym's packed. So there's like 2 restaurants in the food court open. There's a Pizzeria Regina's to the right, and then there's an Asian restaurant. The other 3 little things there in the food court right now is a cell phone place, a like cell phone repair shop, and a recruiting station for the U.S. military. That's about it. It's a pretty deserted food court. Dunks is gone here. Just a big open space, not doing much. It's kind of like that first couple corridors with nothing going on. But back in the day, I remember there used to be a lot of stuff here. But not much has changed, to be honest with you. So let's go down to the last wing over near where Old Navy is, and I'll head into the movie theater and see what's going on here. So this used to be one of the major entrances, the main way to get to the movie theater. Actually, I think the movie theater entrance is closed. They used to have their own entrance. Let's go walk around and check it out. They used to have their own entrance to the movie theater from the outside without going through the mall. I've never actually used it, but right behind me is where there's a trampoline park that used to be a, God, what the hell was it? Not a Dick's Sporting Goods, because that's over there. Sports Authority. Sports Authority used to be there. Then turned into a trampoline park, which is another thing that's busy. It's like the church, it's like the gym. They're all really busy. It's just there's no stores in the mall. So it's basically a giant like building of like businesses, big businesses in a building. So is it still technically a mall? I guess. There's really not much retail. Definition of mall I would imagine would be a place that houses several retail establishments, and there's really not much. So we're gonna walk around right here. We're next to the Marshalls. This, in fact, actually was where the expansion was, and I believe in the 80s, when they built this wing, the food court and all that stuff. And I remember the kid, I used to be crazy. I remember when they added, and then in the 90s, they added the Sports Authority with the Old Navy and that wing right there. All right, we're coming to the movie theater right now. Let's check it out and see what's going on over here. See if we can actually get into the movie theaters from outside. If not, we're gonna go around again. So. Alright, so as I thought, there used to be an entrance there. The entrance is now closed. It's an exit only. And right behind me, that little, the Kohl's corridor that was right there was the first place we talked when we went into the mall. That's how you get to there. So all this back area is all accessible. But the movie theater was added in the 90s when they did the Old Navy and Sports Authority edition. I thought it was wicked cool to have a movie theater in the mall. And it was always really busy. Always busy. It was one of the first stadium seating theaters. I would always go here, go see movies by myself back in the day. So let's go check. Let's see what's like inside the movie. I realize it is a Wednesday afternoon, so the movie theater isn't exactly jumping, but I'm curious what it looks like, aesthetically, if they have maintained it or not, and all that jazz. As far as I know they've been updating. There's a bar there. They do have the latest movies, so let's check it out. Well, I got myself popcorn for the ride. I spilled a few pieces of it. As for the mall, it's the same as it was when we went 2-3 years ago. It's not busy. It's busy in the sense that there's big giant areas that are being taken use of, like the gym and like you know, Buffalo Wild Wings and you know, the church and stuff that's in there. Yes, those are busy. Those are basically taking up space, but there's no stores there anymore. It's not what a mall should be. So it's still a dead mall, I think. But I don't know. Leave your question, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. And please subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.